Let us see how forests are important to an average human being. Humans have shared a special relationship with forests ever since they have inhabited the planet. The forests offer them food, water, and shelter. The history of human existence and civilizations is intertwined with forests and trees. Forests are crucial for the goods and services they provide, which people all over the world depend upon. Main source of livelihood and shelter of people living near the forest comes solely from the forest. India is home to the largest population of tribal people in the world who thrive in forests. They have their own cultures, traditions, lifestyles, and languages, but hold one thing in common: their deep ties with the forests. We live in cities far away from forests, but then also we all use various forest produce. Our dependency on forest resources varies. Some of us have access to alternatives, some of us do not. When we consider the conservation of forests, we need to look at the stakeholders of forests who are the people who live in or around forests and are dependent on forest produce for various aspects of their life. The Forest Department of the government, which owns the land and controls the resources from forests. The industrialists, who use various forest produce but are not dependent on the forest in any one area. The wildlife and nature enthusiasts who want to conserve nature in its pristine form. Each of these groups take different things out of the forest. Let us see what each group gets. The local people need large quantities of firewood, small timber, and thatch. Bamboo from forests is used to make slats for huts and baskets for collecting and storing food materials. Implements for agriculture, fishing and hunting are largely made of wood that comes from the forest. Forests are sites for fishing and hunting. In addition to this, people also gather fruits, nuts and medicines from the forest. Their cattle also graze in forest areas or feed on other fodder. which is collected from forests. Do you think such use of forest resources would lead to the exhaustion of these resources? People have been living in these forests for centuries. Earlier, they had developed practices to ensure that the resources were used in a sustainable manner. But due to overexploitation of these resources from many decades has led to the shrinkage of forest area. Vast tracts of the forests have been converted to monocultures of pine, teak or eucalyptus. In order to plant these trees, huge areas are first cleared of all vegetation. This destroys large amount of biodiversity in the area. Forests are also exploited